Assalamu alaikum. This is a presentation for Group 3. Our topic is Green Day Environmental Awareness Challenge. This is our list of contents. And now let's talk about the introduction. Actually, the Green Day Environmental Awareness Challenge is a one-day program organized by UTM Green DNA, aimed to enhance leadership, teamwork, and critical thinking skills among UTM students while promoting environmental sustainability. This program blends hands on activities and creative problem solving. Also, engaging teamwork challenges to foster awareness and develop key graduate attributes. Now, let's talk about empowering student, how to empower a student to this activity. Environmental issues are one of the most pressing concerns globally, and empowering students with the skills to tackle this problem is essential. This event will serve as platform for students to enhance their compactness and to take actionable steps toward sustainability and environment.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdelhamed Farid. Today I will identify the weakness in the graduate attributes. So the first weakness is the low environmental awareness. So many students are unaware of how their daily actions impact the environment. The second weakness is the weak leadership and teamwork skills. Students struggle to organize and execute collaborative tasks effectively. The third weakness is limited critical thinking skills. So there is a significant need for enhanced analytical thinking to foster innovative solutions. So for our program details, the student organization will be the UTM Green DNA. The activity name will be the Green Day Environmental Awareness Challenge. The activity date it is scheduled for 22 March 2025. The venue will take place at the UTM campus at any green zone. The activity background: our activity aims to develop skills while addressing waste management and sustainability. Lastly, the challenges we will face. So the participants will engage in various challenges to promote teamwork and diverse perspectives.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is IQBAL bin ZAINUDDIN. So I am the one that in charge to make for the activity schedule. So after some discussion, we decide to make the activity from 8 a.m. until 5 p.m. So the activity start with the registration and welcome speech, and then the next one is ice breaking activity, green trivia, which is to make each other know better. And then the next one is we make poster making, environmental awareness, and then team challenge about eco solution, and then in between the time we have lunch, and then group discussion on how to be more eco-friendly. Next, tree planning activity, award ceremony and closing, and then at 5 we end the program. So basically all of this activity is organized by our club, which is UTM Green DNA. And then the next one is financial statement. So basically a financial statement is a formal record of the financial activities and position of a business, individual or other entity. These statements provide an overview of a company's financial health, performance and cash flow, and are used by stakeholders such as investor, creditors and management for decision making. And then so this is our some of our roughly budget. So we include 5 items, which is food and beverage, material for the activities, guest speaker fees, price for winners and miscellaneous. So basically, total that after some calculation, around 2,350 ringgit Malaysia.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Humayun Shah Yashjudan. Today, I am excited to share the goals and objectives of our program, which is designed to empower students for a sustainable future. So, the goals and objectives are enhance to enhance graduate attributes, raise environmental awareness, encourage teamwork. So, one of our primary goals is to enhance graduate attributes. So these events will provide opportunities for students to develop and demonstrate skills valuable in any career path. Raise environmental awareness. We believe is crucial to educate students about the importance of sustainability and environmental protection. Through various initiatives, we aim to foster a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness between human actions and the health of our planet. Encourage teamwork. We know that collaboration is the key to solving complex problems. We want to encourage teamwork. We will promote teamwork and collaboration through fun, interactive activities which will be designed to build strong working relationships and effective communication skills. The next slide is developing leadership skills. This program will improve participants' leadership abilities through collaborative activities. By working together on projects, they will face some challenges and they will learn to lead, motivate, and inspire others. Practical knowledge promotion. We will provide valuable insights into environmental conservation and waste management. This will help students with better understanding, which they can apply in their daily activities and future careers. Enhance critical thinking to effectively address the environmental issues. Strong and critical thinking skills are essential. We will encourage critical thinking by tackling real world environmental challenges. A student will learn to analyze complex situations, evaluate information, and develop innovative solutions. So the monitoring and evaluation, we will send detailed online survey form to the participants to measure the program's impact on leadership, teamwork, and critical thinking skills. And the data collected, the collected data will be analyzed to improve future programs.
So, hello everyone. My name is Mohammed Zidane Zarfansyah. I am from Group 3. Today, I am here to make a video about the Assignment 2 video presentation on study case uh, of our Green Day Environmental Awareness Challenge. First and foremost, this program has played a crucial role in raising environmental awareness among our participants. Many students have gained insight to the importance of sustainability, which is vital in today's world. Secondly, through engaging hands-on activities, we have witnessed a remarkable enhancement in leadership and teamwork skill among students. This event has encouraged collaboration and allowed participants to work together effectively. Moreover, the initiative has also fostered critical thinking skills. Students tackle real-world environments challenge, equip them with innovative problem-solving capacities that are essential in addressing global issues. To ensure we measure our impact, we have implemented a feedback mechanism post event. This will not only help us gauge the effectiveness of the program, but also guide us in making improvement for future events. In conclusion, our key takeaways emphasize the need for continued education on environmental issues. It is crucial that we continue fostering these graduate attributes among our students. Thank you for your attention, and let's continue to promote sustainability in our lives.